Hey, have you heard about how people are using ChatGPT to make money?
Yeah, I've heard there are some interesting ways to earn extra income with it. What's the scoop?
Well, there are actually 4 ways to earn $1,000 or more per month with ChatGPT. The first one is writing articles with the help of ChatGPT. Freelance writers can use it to outline and research faster, allowing them to earn more money in less time. They can also use ChatGPT to write articles for their affiliate marketing websites and make money from product sales.
That sounds like a great way to boost income. What's the next method?
The second way is using ChatGPT for social media management. People who already earn money from social media can leverage ChatGPT to create more effective and compelling content at a faster pace. They can even sell their services as social media managers to other companies, as the demand for this specialized skill grows.
Interesting. So, what's the third way to make money with ChatGPT?
The third method involves using ChatGPT to create an application or a Chrome extension. It's not just limited to writing. ChatGPT can assist with coding and programming as well. So, if you have an idea for an application or extension, ChatGPT can help you write the code and bring your concept to life.
That's really cool. What's the final way to earn money with ChatGPT?
The fourth method is creating effective marketing campaigns. Even if you're confident in your content creation abilities, ChatGPT can help you find your target audience and generate a marketing plan based on insights from successful marketers and its own data. It's a valuable tool to enhance your overall marketing strategy.
Those are some solid ways to make money with ChatGPT. But what else can you use it for?
Apart from the money-making opportunities, ChatGPT can be used for various business and personal purposes. It can assist with research projects, help create shopping lists, answer questions, and even provide information in a more conversational way than a search engine like Google. It can also aid in writing emails, inspire social media posts, and even create artwork. However, it's important to note that there are limitations, such as using it for academic papers or articles on certain websites.
Good to know. It seems like ChatGPT can be quite versatile. Thanks for sharing these insights on how to make money with artificial intelligence and ChatGPT.
You're welcome. It's exciting to see how AI technologies like ChatGPT can open up new opportunities for people to earn income. Don't forget to subscribe to this Growth Guru family. And let's discover the artificial intelligence together in a simple way.
Okay, great.